Hello world, you all have heard a lot of things about programming languages, coding, and a lot of stuff regarding coding and programming, but still had confusion that what is coding. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a detailed version about what is coding and a programming language. So make sure to watch this video till end. Let's get started. Hi there, myself Lakshya Namdeo and welcome to my channel. I have received a lot of questions and emails that what is coding? What does coding actually mean? So I am going to tell you what is coding and programming language and clear all the doubts and confusions of all my students. So make sure to watch this video till end. I have created two separate videos, 5 reasons why you should code in 2021 and 5 steps to start coding just as a beginner. So make sure to watch these videos to get a clear overview that what is coding actually. Now get back to our questions. What is coding? Coding is actually a process of telling the computer how to do a particular task with the help of a language called programming language. मतलब ये कि कोडिंग से हम बता सकते हैं कि मशीन को एक्चुअली में काम क्या करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी क्लिक रिफ्रेश ऑन कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन, हाउ डज कंप्यूटर नो दैट वी क्लिक्ड रिफ्रेश? क्योंकि प्रोग्रामर्स ने उसे बताया है कि अगर यहां पर क्लिक हो तो उसे रिफ्रेश बटन का डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर करना है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, व्हाट इज अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज? Programming language is actually an interface which converts human instructions to binary code which can be understood easily by the machine. Now the question arises that सारी languages काम तो सेम ही करती है, तो फिर इतनी languages क्यों? Python, C, C++, Java, इतनी languages है. There are many languages in the market which tells the computer to do the work, to do the task and converts all the instructions into the binary code. The answer is speed and writability. Technology is not advanced yet that humans can directly contact and tell the computers to do the particular task. So we use a particular format of writing instructions which is known as syntax. Syntax is actually a language, actually a type of writing instructions which is similar to machine language. So it takes less effort by the programming language to convert these instructions into the binary code. तो syntax की प्रोसेस होने की स्पीड पर भी डिपेंड करता है कि प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कितनी फास्ट या कितनी स्लो है. आपका प्रोग्राम कितना फास्ट चलेगा या कितना स्लो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, what happens when we try to code in Python language? The code is executed line by line and converted into binary language which can be understood by the computer. But in the C language, the set of code is completely converted into the binary code and then executed. So this makes C language much faster. But the C language is quite hard to write because it is similar to the binary language. That is why C language is faster than any other languages, and in terms of writability, Python is turned out to be the best language which can be used to learn the basics of coding. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new videos and hit the bell icon for video notifications. If you got any queries, doubts regarding coding and programming languages, you can surely message me on the Instagram handle and you can comment down your views on this video. If you got any values after watching this video, so make sure to share this video to the person who needed it the most and help me get into the YouTube's algorithm by hitting the subscribe and like button. So that's it for today, guys.